The U.S. Embassy in London is more than just an office for diplomats. It's a fortress in disguise. Hidden beneath its modern design lies some of the most advanced security features in the world. But why does this embassy need such extreme protection? In an era of rising global threats, embassies have become high-value targets. The U.S. government took no chances when building this one. Every inch of the structure is designed to resist attacks, cyber threats, and espionage. In this video, we'll reveal the secret security systems of America's London Embassy and why it might be the safest building on Earth. The embassy's importance. The U.S. Embassy in London is one of the most critical diplomatic sites in the world. It serves as the primary connection between the United States and the United Kingdom, handling everything from visa applications to high-level political discussions. But with such a big role come big risks. Embassies are often prime targets for protests, cyber attacks, and even terrorism. The U.S. Embassy represents American power and influence, making it a high-risk location that demands extreme security measures. Beyond diplomacy, the embassy is also an intelligence and military coordination hub. It's more than just a workplace for diplomats. It's a critical part of U.S. national security, and protecting it is a top priority. To ensure safety, the U.S. government needed to rethink embassy security. That led to one of the most high-tech and fortified embassy buildings ever constructed. But why was a new embassy even necessary? Let's find out why a new embassy was needed. The U.S. Embassy in Grosvenor Square was a landmark in London for decades. But as threats increased, security experts realized the old building was no longer safe. One major problem was its location. Situated in a crowded area, the old embassy was too exposed. The streets were closed, making it vulnerable to car bomb attacks. Security upgrades were difficult because of space limitations and historic preservation rules. After 9/11, the U.S. government re-evaluated all its embassies worldwide. The old London embassy simply couldn't meet modern security standards. It was a prime target for terrorists, and without a secure perimeter, it was at serious risk. A new solution was needed, a purpose-built, ultra-secure facility. The U.S. decided to move to a brand new location in Nine Elms, away from central London's crowded and vulnerable environment. The new site provided better security, advanced technology, and a modern design to handle future threats. This was not just a simple relocation. It was a complete security transformation. Every part of the new embassy was designed to resist attacks and ensure the safety of U.S. officials and visitors. However, location was just one part of the strategy. The real security secrets are in the design. The embassy's secret location advantages. The new U.S. Embassy in London was built in Nine Elms, a district far from the busy streets of central London. This location was carefully chosen to increase security and reduce risks. One of the biggest advantages is natural barriers. The River Thames, the building's hidden security features. At first glance, the U.S. Embassy in London looks like a sleek, modern building. But underneath, it is a fortress designed to withstand extreme threats. One of the most impressive features is its blast-proof structure. The entire building is reinforced with special concrete and steel, making it resistant to bomb explosions. Even if an attack happens nearby, the structure can absorb shockwaves and protect the people inside. The embassy's windows are bullet-resistant and designed to withstand heavy impact. Traditional glass would shatter in an explosion, but these windows remain intact even under extreme force. The embassy has anti-ram barriers hidden around the perimeter to prevent vehicle-based attacks. These barriers look like regular landscaping features, but they can stop a speeding truck instantly. The embassy is also designed to be self-sustaining in emergencies. It has backup power generators, independent water supplies, and food storage to function for days without outside help. Surprisingly, the building is also environmentally friendly. It uses solar panels and rainwater collection systems to reduce its impact on the environment while maintaining security. This embassy was built for the future, strong, secure, and nearly impossible to breach. But security doesn't stop with the building. Advanced high-tech surveillance and defense systems add another layer of protection. Let's take a look inside. High-tech surveillance and defense systems. The U.S. Embassy in London is not only physically strong but also protected by advanced technology. Every inch of the building and surrounding area is under constant surveillance, using some of the most sophisticated security systems in the world. One of the most potent tools is facial recognition AI. Cameras around the embassy scan and track faces, identifying individuals in real time. If someone on a watch list gets too close, security is immediately alerted. Another key feature is anti-drone technology. Drones can be used for spying or attacks, but this embassy has drone detection and jamming systems. If an unauthorized drone flies near the building, its signal is blocked, making it useless. Cybersecurity is also a top priority. The embassy's communications are encrypted to prevent hacking and spying. Every phone call, email, and internet connection is secured against cyber threats. The smart security fencing around the perimeter is another hidden defense. It looks like regular fencing but is equipped with motion sensors. Alarms are triggered if anyone tries to climb or cut through, and security teams respond instantly. The embassy has automatic lockdown systems in the event of an emergency. If a security breach occurs, reinforced barriers can seal off sections of the building within seconds. These high-tech defenses ensure that even the most advanced threats are detected and stopped before they can cause harm. However, security doesn't rely on technology alone. The Secret Service and security forces play a huge role in protecting this site. The role of Secret Service and security forces. While technology protects the embassy, the Secret Service and security forces provide the human defense needed to handle threats in real time. These highly trained officers are always watching and prepared to react instantly if danger arises. The embassy is guarded by U.S. Marines, a tradition in American embassies worldwide. These elite soldiers are trained to defend the embassy at all costs and stand ready to respond to any attack. But not all security is visible. Undercover agents work around the embassy, blending in with the crowd. Their job is to monitor suspicious activity, identify threats before they happen, and stop potential attackers before they get too close. Inside the embassy, rapid response teams are stationed in hidden locations. If a breach occurs, they can lock down areas, evacuate personnel, and neutralize threats within minutes. Local police and British intelligence also work closely with U.S. security to provide additional protection. With layers of security, from elite guards to advanced surveillance, this embassy is one of the safest diplomatic buildings in the world. But could this security ever be breached? Let's find out. Can this level of security be breached? No building is 100% secure, but the U.S. Embassy in London comes close. Its fortress-like design, high-tech defenses, and elite security teams make it one of the hardest places in the world to attack. However, no security system is perfect. Over the years, embassies worldwide have been targeted, proving that determined attackers can find weaknesses. Past embassy attacks, such as the 1983 Beirut bombing and the 2012 Benghazi attack, have shaped modern embassy security. These events taught valuable lessons, strengthening defenses in new embassy designs, including London's. Despite this, security threats are constantly evolving. Cyber attacks, drones, and insider threats remain potential risks. To stay ahead, the embassy continually updates its security measures. Surveillance, technology, and intelligence sharing help prevent threats before they reach the building. Breaking into this embassy would take an extreme, well-coordinated effort. But with constant improvements, it remains one of the safest locations in the world. The U.S. Embassy in London is more than just a diplomatic building. It symbolizes security, power, and modern engineering. With its strategic location, fortress-like design, and high-tech defenses, it is one of the most secure embassies ever built. In an era of rising global threats, embassies must be stronger than ever. The London Embassy proves that advanced technology, innovative design, and elite security forces can create an impenetrable stronghold. As security threats evolve, so will embassy protection. But for now, the U.S. Embassy in London remains one of the safest buildings on Earth. Like and subscribe for more hidden security insights.